Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to take up another very interesting question from algebra which we have to solve without using a calculator. So let's get started. I will consider this given expression as x first. Now we will write x equal to the square root of 2 power 3 is 8 in the bracket 3 power 16. We can write this is 3 power 4 and then whole power 4 power 8. We can write this is 4 square and then whole power 4 plus 97 whole power 4 minus 27 is 3 cube. So I can write 3 power 3 and then whole power 3. This will be equal to square root of 8 times, we will write 3 power 4 as 81. So 3 power 4 is 81 whole power 4 plus 4 square is 16 whole power 4 plus 97 whole power 4 minus this is 3 power 3 times 3 is 9, which will be equal to square root of 8 times, I will write 16 first, 16 power 4 plus 81 power 4 plus 97 power 4, and then we can write 3 power 9 as 3 times 3 power 8. Let me write here x will be equal to the square root of 8 times 16 power 4 plus 81 power 4 plus 97 power 4 minus 3 times 3 power 8. So we can write 3 power 4 whole square. This will be equal to square root of 8 times 16 power 4 plus 81 power 4 plus 97 power 4 minus 3 times 3 power 4 is 81 square. Now we will consider substitution. Let's say 16 equal to A and 81 equal to B. So I can write here 97 will be equal to 16 plus 81, which is equal to A plus B. So our expression which we can write here, x equal to square root of 8 times in the bracket A power 4 plus B power 4 plus A plus B whole power 4, and then minus sign is there, 3b square. B is 81, so this will be minus 3b square. Now we have to simplify this innermost square root. So let me write our expression Here, here it is. Now we will simplify this bracket separately. So I will write here a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a plus b whole power 4. This will be equal to a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a plus b whole power 4. We can use binomial expansion and we can write here a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 4ab cube plus 6a square b square. Now if I will add, I will get 2a power 4, a power 4, a power 4, b power 4, b power 4. So 2b power 4. Then we have 4a cube b. Then we have 4ab cube. Then it is 6a square b square. Now I can see 2 is common. So 2 is common in the bracket. We will write a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a cube b plus 2ab cube plus 3a square b square. Now we will target this 3a square b square and we will write a square b square plus 2a square b square. So let me write here 2 times a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a square b square. Then I will write the remaining 2a square b square. Now we can write 2ab cube and then we can write the last term 2a cube b. Now if I will write a power 4, then I can write here a square whole square, b power 4, b square whole square, a square b square, we can write ab whole square, and then we have 3 terms which I will write 2 times a square times b square. This is one algebraic formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. You can see plus 2b square times ab. So in total this is 2ab cube plus 2 times ab times a square, which is 2a cube b. Now this is one algebraic formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a is a square, b is b square, c is ab. So I can write this as formula for, if I will write here, I can write 2 times in the bracket a square plus b square plus ab whole square. Let me write over here. So I will write our expression x equal to square root of 8 times 2 times in the bracket a square plus b square plus ab whole square, and then we will write minus 3b square. This is our simplified x. So I can write x will be equal to square root of 16 times a square plus b square plus ab whole square minus 3b square, which will be equal to square root of, we can write 16 as 4 square, and then we will put whole power to a square plus b square plus ab, and then we will put whole power to minus 3b square. Now we can cancel square root with this square. So we will be getting x equal to square root of 4 times in the bracket a square plus b square plus ab, and then we will write minus 3b square. Let me write here x equal to square root of 4 times a square plus b square plus ab, and then minus 3b square. Now we will simplify. We will write square root of 4a square plus 4b square plus 4ab minus 3b square. So 4b square minus 3b square. We can write square root of 4a square plus b square plus 4ab. This we can write square root of 4a square is 2a whole square. Then we have b whole square. Then we have 2 times 2a times b. This is 4ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here we can write this is perfect square of 2a plus b. Now we can cancel square root with square. So our ultimate simplification, x equal to 2a plus b. Now our substitution was, if I will write 16 equal to a and 81 was our b. So I can write x will be equal to 2 times 16 plus 81. This will give us 32 plus 81. Once I will add both the numbers, we will get 130. So our final answer becomes 113. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.